In the construction industry, many activities generate dust that can be harmful. Drilling into concrete produces 7 milligrams of drilling dust per cubic meter. With the system, consisting of the vacuum cleaner FVC 35M and the hollow drill bit FHD, the dust is extracted directly at the point of origin for healthier working. The switch is used to vary the suction strength to best suit the connected device. Due to the automatic switch-on and switch-off facility, the vacuum cleaner only operates as long as the electrical device is actually used. The filter is cleaned automatically during suction operation, ensuring uninterrupted work. The powerful motor of the FVC 35M ensures consistently high extraction performance. The cleaning filters collect even the smallest dust particles in accordance with Dust Class M for healthy working. The sealable filter bags can be disposed dust-free. The extensive cleaning set FVC AP provides all tools for cleaning the working environment. The vacuum cleaner is not only suitable for dry and wet vacuuming, but also as a suction system for hollow drills and other electrical devices. Fischer Vacuum Cleaner FVC 35M, universal wet and dry vac for virtually dust-free applications.